IntelliDent is a national company specializing in hail damage repair on cars. We've been in business since '97, so for 20 years now, we've been assisting customers get their hail damage fixed. What I do on a day-to-day basis is work with virtually all customers' insurance providers, including big names like State Farm, Geico, Progressive, and Allstate, to make sure that 100% of the hail-related damage is covered so we can restore the vehicle to pre-storm condition. We specialize in paintless dent repair, which is perfect for hail damage repair on cars.
Paintless Dent Repair. It was actually developed in the automotive factories years and years ago. We go in from underneath the dent. We've got a series of metal rods and tools. We massage the dents up from the bottom. When the vehicle is done, it looks exactly the way it did the day before the storm.
IntelliDent prides itself in using technicians that have 20+ years experience in the industry, meaning that the car is going to come back and it's going to be 100% perfect, and no one, not even a dealership, will be able to tell that hail damage repair had been performed on the vehicle. We are a very customer service driven organization. We are A+ with the Better Business Bureau, and we're 5-star rated on Yelp, Google, and Facebook. And IntelliDent is one of the few companies that provides what we call a valet service, meaning we can bring a rental car to you at either your home or office, grab the keys to your hail damaged vehicle, and then return the car to you once the repairs are complete. If you're looking for expert hail damage repair on your newer model car, truck, or SUV, with a local company who will offer a lifetime warranty on all of their workmanship, give us a call or stop by your local IntelliDent branch today.